The following film is real.
And you are the meal.
None of these people know that I was an undesirable child.
Do I seem sane to you? I don't care if they're monsters.
I'll cut them down. Skin tinted black.
Whoa!
Good evening, Reggie.
What the fuck is this destiny?
You see this line? Do not come into my personal...
You suck.
How do we address it, sir?
With cranberry sauce.
When this baby hits 88 miles per hour, you're gonna see some serious shit.
Full Metal Alchemist. Full Metal Alchemist.
No racist.
Hold on.
Oh boy.
I'll show you courage.
Project our impact. Hey, can you throw me another free song?
Did somebody say
Kaboom!
Jenny! Jenny! Hey!
いともたやすく行われるえげつない行為。我が心と行動に一点の曇りなし。Dirty D's done dirt cheap.
Okay, Jesus Christ, I don't know what's going on.
Oh, that real f***ing original.
say the line?
Angry Birds.
You're screwed. Yeah, you're totally screwed.
Everyone died.
No.
It wasn't the great turkey, it was always Reggie.
My body is
Reggie.
It tastes like ass!
It's selfish.